Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device on Maruti Wagonr. In today's installation we will show how we connect the fuel gauge wire to our device and how we connect the air conditioner status AC. So in the Speedotrack box you will get Speedotrack device, relay socket, SIM card and device wiring. So for the installation we have to open the cover just beneath the driver steering, and we have to find out the power wire and the ignition wire. So this is the socket where we'll get the device wiring. So we'll remove this connector, and using multimeter we have to check in which port we are getting continue power line 12 volt. So we are getting the continue power line on the red wire. So this will be our continue power source. Now we have to connect a jumper wire to the red port and test other ports. In whichever port we can see the dashboard light turns on, that is the ignition wire. So you can see the dashboard light turns on the blue wire. So that's our ignition wire. Either you can remove the pin and install the relay, or you can just cut the wire and do the installation. So we cut the ignition wire in two parts and attach the relay green wire to both the ends. Now we'll do the device wiring. Device has 5 wires. So device we'll start with the installation. Device red wire, which is the power wire, and the relay white wire, the power wire, we connect to the vehicle's red wire for the continue power line. We connect the red wire here and the white wire of the relay to this thick red wire. Relay yellow wire and device white wire is connected together. Now we'll connect the relay socket, 12 volt relay socket, and tie it with tie belt. Now we will add one wire on the grey wire of the device and extend it towards the vehicle fuel tank, which is at the back side. So we are just extending one wire and connected it to the grey wire. The last wire will connect for the ground. We can connect to any ground area. Now we are connecting the fuel gauge of the vehicle with our device. So you have to open the fuel cap here, just beneath the back seat, and you will find many wires there. So we have to find out the actual wire, which will be between 0 to 5 volt. So we tested here, the wire for the output was the yellow wire. So we slice the yellow wire and take the connection to our device grey wire, so we can know the vehicle fuel level. So fuel monitoring is possible with our device. And the last, we are connecting with the vehicle air conditioner. So here is the compressor wire. Whenever the AC turns on, you will get the current in this wire. So we are extending one wire from here, and we'll connect it to our yellow wire of the device. So properly we have to extend the wire here and take the wire inside the cable. That wire is connected to our device yellow wire for the air conditioner status. So whenever the AC is turned on and off, you can see on our app and web application, you can see the fuel level, you can see the engine on off status, battery level, and GPS tracking details. So after the installation, this cover is placed properly.